Alright, we're here at Millbridge in the van. It's hot as fuck, man. Got a new right rear on her. Well, used new right rear. We're gonna go see what she has today. We're gonna go feed her the fucking beans. Oh, out here, Colt Currie, the bone crusher. Motherfuckers out here working, son. Alright, guys, it is hot as fuck out here today.
Let's go.
Open trailer, not it. Not it. But the van has AC though, and that'd be nice. A little cool down. No fucking money. Broke as fuck. Fuck this shit. It's hot as fuck out today.
Because I got 0 friends.
Yeah, baby, got the open trailer and it's gonna fucking rain, but we got a blanket. We got a blanket. Woo! We racing? Oh, it's been about an hour, and this is what we got left for the racetrack.
Other than Andrew, I guess. No one get on the racetrack, please. We want everybody.
Motherfucker's still dry, baby. The blanket did it.
I'll just biscuit to it.
Yeah. Oh, yeah! Yeah! Get it! Get it, dog! Get it! Woo!
Here we go. Here we go. Oh boy. Not only plumbing, we can get you out. He got it!